Hey everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at this K-Lava Salt. This is a Korean bamboo sea salt that's baked 9 times in the bamboo stalks, and they even get it so hot that it physically turns into lava. Let's open it up and check it out. So this is what the product package looks like. They have 2 sizes available currently, and this is the larger of the 2. So I'm getting just under 8.5 ounces. They have a smaller one that's just under 2.5 ounces. And you can come through and read the back right here, the story about that. But as I mentioned, so this thing has been baked 9 times, and they pack the sea salt in bamboo stalks, right, and seal the top with red soil. And it gets so hot that it physically turns into lava. And so the benefit of that is that it actually removes any harmful contents like heavy metals from the sea salt. Okay, but the benefit on the flip end is that the absorbability of beneficial minerals increases. That helps turn the sea salt into more of an alkali versus an acid. So this is what it looks like when you get it out of the packaging, and I like that the majority is plastic-free packaging, except for the main salt here. We got some real nice large crystal chunks here. So if we look real close at the crystals, it's kind of a grayish white color, and that's how it's going to grind up as well. They do have a purple version coming out soon, and a lot of people are familiar with purple bamboo sea salt, but the original is this whitish gray color. Now if we grind some of this out with the grinder right here, right, you can see, well, I've got a real nice fine grind on my grinder, but everything right here, let me zoom in just a little bit, yeah. Super nice, clean white crystals here, right? And keep in mind, so this is alkalized. Yes, so it's going to have a lot more. So if we come in for that close look, right, some real nice white fine ground salt that comes out of this. Now, because of the whole lava 9-time baking process here, we've got an alkalized salt versus something that's acidic. So it offers some additional health benefits, right? It's got 55 essential minerals that are highly absorbable and alkalize your body and the food, which then in turn gives it some anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. Could help purify the blood, right? Maintain pH levels, boost your metabolism, and a lot more. So just for fun, I actually happen to have some pH paper here. This is kosher salt over here and a little bit of water. This over here is the bamboo salt and water, and I, tried to measure out as best as I can. But if I take this and I mix this in and put the pH paper into the kosher salt, you can actually see that the color here right on the border of 5 and 6, actually even leaning more towards 5, which is acidic, right? Anything under 7. If we take this one over here and we mix it in, look at that. It's even more of like a greenish color up here, probably around an 8 or something like that. So alkaline, acidic. So at the end of the day, we have a real premium bamboo sea salt with a bunch of essential minerals that can offer some additional health benefits. The real question is, how do you want to use this? Because it has a wide range of versatility. Put it on your fruits and veggies, put it on all your different meats, whether you're cooking beforehand or afterwards as part of the seasoning. You can even put a pinch of this into your coffee or even into your drinks as well. So if you're interested in this bamboo sea salt, you should definitely give it a try. The taste is right on point and it has all those added benefits.